In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix ChatGPT not responding or lagging. So if you're trying to generate responses, but it keeps on lagging or it can't respond, it is just stuck on one screen, then let me show you how you can fix this problem. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to this channel. So this is a fix for your computer. And if you're facing this on your computer, the first thing you need to do is to go ahead and open your ChatGPT. And one of the reasons why you may be experiencing this is because your thread is too long and therefore it lags. So the best solution for this is to go ahead and start a new chat. So go ahead and click on new chat, and this should launch a new chat. Go ahead and generate your response to see if this solves the lag. Now, in most cases, this should be able to fix your problem. And now if you generate any response or if you query anything, ChatGPT should be able to generate response very fast. However, if this didn't solve your problem, you're still experiencing lagging issue, then you may want to go ahead and delete chats if you have excess of them. So if your list is too long, go ahead and delete chats just to ease up your memory. Another possible solution for this problem is just go to your account here, and from your account, head to settings, and under settings, first go to data control. Now under data control, you can also delete all charts from here instead of deleting one by one chart on the other. So if you click on delete chart, this will go ahead and wipe all the charts that you had generated. Also, you may want to go ahead and free the memory, and to free the memory again, go to your account name here and then choose settings, and under settings, go to personalization, and under personalization, scroll down until you find memory. And you can see memory is here. Go to manage, and under manage, you should be able to see anything that you saved or the status of your memory here. And to clear your memory, go ahead and click on these dots and then choose delete all memories. Now, if you check this box, you will also delete all past version of saved memories. And you have to note that this cannot be undone. If you are sure, go ahead and click on delete all, and this will go ahead and free up all your ChatGPT account memory. And now you can have a fresh start to generate your charts without any lag. But should you still find any challenge, then you might want to go ahead and clear browser data on your browser. And for my case, I'm on Chrome, so I'll go to these dots here and then go to history here. And if you choose history, you should be able to see all your previous browsing history. So this is one of the reasons why ChatGPT keeps on lagging. So to solve this, go ahead and just delete browsing data here. And this should free up all the memories on your browser. Then come back to your browser, and now you should have no issue with generating charts with ChatGPT. So by using any of these methods, you should be able to solve any issue with lag or getting stuck on ChatGPT. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.